let's say I wanted to measure the density of this object here. How would I do so? First, I'd start by finding the mass. Here's the scale. Notice how I can read the words on the scale. That means the scale is facing the correct way. Notice that the scale is at 0. So we are ready to weigh. If we had any number other than 0, we just hit tare. And now we're at 0 for sure. I'm going to place the object, just for the heck of it, in the middle of the scale, and I'm going to get 19 grams. Why do I put 19 in my calculator first? Well, displacement is mass divided by density, so I'm going to put my mass first, then I'll divide. So we got 19. Okay. Next, I'm going to measure the volume. So over here, I have a graduated cylinder, and let's say that I wanted to get 30 milliliters of water in there. I'm not at 30 milliliters now. I'm just a little bit below. So let's get that meniscus to be right under. There we go. Now we have 30 milliliters. See that? The blue line is right under the meniscus. I can even take out just a fraction more. There we go. 30 milliliters. I'm going to take my object, tilt it at an angle, and let it slide in. And now let's see what we got. So if I look at the increments on the graduated cylinder, I see that here's 30, and then 5 notches above is 35, so this one's going by ones. So we have about, it's kind of hard to see. There we go. So we could call that 31, 32 and a half. So 19 so 32 and a half minus 30, that gives 2.5. So 19 divided by 2.5 gives us 7.6 grams per milliliter. That is the exact displacement of this object. When you guys come up here, I'm going to call you up one by one, and I'll issue you a challenge. You'll have to measure the displacement of one of these two objects. Get it correctly? It's 5 extra credit points for you. Good luck.